Welcome back to the Blockchain and Web3 Insights channel. I'm on a high note today, celebrating our milestone of crossing 1,000 subscribers. Your support is the driving force behind my journey, so here's a huge shout out to each one of you. Today I'm peeling back the layers on a topic that's been making waves across industries: blockchain. Imagine a ledger that is distributed across multiple systems, visible to everyone and almost impossible to alter. That's blockchain for you. A technology that is revolutionizing the way we store and share data. It's like a digital diary that tracks and records each transaction, providing a transparent, unchangeable record. And the best part? Blockchain operates without a central authority. It's a collaborative network where each participant plays a crucial role. In a world where data is power, blockchain is transforming the way we handle and trust this power. And this is just the beginning. Stay tuned as I delve deeper into this fascinating technology. Is transforming the way data is stored and shared without relying on a central authority. What makes blockchain stand out from traditional systems? The answer lies in two key features: transparency and immutability. First, let's talk about transparency. Imagine a system where every transaction is open for everyone to see. No hidden fees, no secret dealings, just pure, unadulterated data. This is what blockchain brings to the table. Its transparent nature ensures that every transaction, every data exchange is visible and verifiable. Think of it as a public ledger where entries are open for everyone to inspect, promoting honesty and accountability. Now on to the second feature: immutability. In a world where data breaches and falsification are common, blockchain stands as a beacon of security and trust. Once something is recorded on a blockchain, it's virtually unchangeable. This isn't a database where entries can be altered willy-nilly. It's a secure, tamper-proof system that safeguards information from unauthorized changes. This immutability enhances trust, as users can be confident that the data they see is the data as it was recorded. These unique features make blockchain a powerful tool for a wide range of applications. But hold on to your seats, because we're just getting started. Up next, we'll explore how these features translate into real-world applications, transforming industries and shaping the future. Blockchain's impact goes beyond the financial sector or cryptocurrencies. This ingenious technology is making waves across a multitude of industries. Let's explore a few. In finance, blockchain is revolutionizing how we transact money. It's providing a secure, transparent, and efficient method for transferring funds globally, eliminating the need for middlemen like banks or payment processors. Then there's healthcare, where blockchain is transforming the way medical records are managed. It provides a secure and immutable record of a patient's medical history, enabling better and safer patient care. In supply chain management, blockchain's transparent and immutable ledger can trace a product's journey from factory to consumer, ensuring authenticity and combating counterfeit goods. Even in voting systems, blockchain can ensure transparency and security, reducing the potential for fraud and enhancing democratic processes. But it's not just these sectors. Blockchain's potential is limitless. It's being used in energy markets, real estate, and even in the art world through non-fungible tokens or NFTs, providing proof of ownership for digital assets. Remember, blockchain's potential isn't limited to cryptocurrencies. While cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are significant applications of blockchain technology, the real value of blockchain lies in its ability to provide transparency, security, and efficiency across various sectors. So, as you see, blockchain is more than just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool that's creating a more transparent, efficient, and secure world. Remember, this video is for educational purposes and not financial advice. We've barely scratched the surface of blockchain's potential today. To dive deeper into this transformative technology, I highly recommend exploring my Blockchain Learning Resources Guide available on Gumroad. You'll find the link right in the description below. As we wrap up, I want to take a moment to express my gratitude. Your support has been instrumental in crossing the 1,000 subscribers milestone. It's your curiosity and engagement that fuels this channel, and I couldn't be more grateful for that. If you found this video helpful, please do hit the like button. Share it with those who might benefit from understanding the basics of blockchain, and if you haven't already, do subscribe to the channel. Your support helps me create more insightful, detailed content, breaking down complex topics into digestible information. Thank you for tuning in. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world of blockchain and Web3. Next week, I'm going to break down the significance of the upcoming Bitcoin halving. See you then.